Hey everyone, Tila here, and I am so excited to bring you my newest class, which just got released yesterday. It's called Gouache Botanicals in Procreate, and it's a massive class. Today I wanted to share the class trailer with you, which has more of the class details. I'll leave a link right in the video description to it. There's also a link in there to my newest Procreate brush set. It's called Gouache Lovers, and it's made up of 12 custom digital gouache Procreate brushes. So they mimic real paint directly in Procreate. So there's a link right in the video description to that as well. Without further ado, here is the class trailer to Gouache Botanicals in Procreate. Although gouache isn't as well known as watercolor or acrylic, it is just as powerful at delivering beautiful results. The magic in gouache is that it can behave like watercolor, but with an opaque matte finish, and also like acrylic, but it can be reactivated with water. Its inherent natural ability to adapt to several styles makes it one of the most versatile mediums available to artists. And now that Procreate can join the gouache loving party, it's time to bring that magic to the iPad. My name is Tila, and for the past 7 years, I've been creating weekly tutorials and courses on design, lettering, and illustration. While traditional art will always have a big place in my heart, creating digital art in Procreate has transformed my art-making process in all the best ways. In Gouache Botanicals in Procreate, you'll digitally paint in 4 gouache-inspired painting styles using an included set of 12 custom gouache brushes. Our flat style is the most familiar gouache style, made up of simple, one-color shapes with bold details to imply texture and depth. Our chunky style is composed of short strokes and an infinite palette. This style mimics the acrylic nature of gouache and will use it to build up color with different strokes and multiple layers. In the bonus smooth style, we'll use a blender smudge brush to smooth out our chunky style projects, giving them a realistic and eye-catching aesthetic. Our fourth and final style is the large stroke style, made up of a more limited palette and large, beautiful brush strokes, perfect for large petaled flowers. Painting digitally means you have the ability to undo, minimize the mess, paint in more saturated and vibrant colors, and keep the wallet a little healthier with limited supplies. You can also immediately reuse the artwork you make, export it in a variety of file types, and even alter specific colors. And don't worry, because all of that info is included in the course too. If you're ready to create stunning, painterly digital artwork with just a pressure-sensitive iPad, stylus, and Procreate, then find a cozy spot and let's paint some Gouache Botanicals in Procreate.